In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom thank you page in your Shopify store that works well when customers use Afterpay. A personalized thank you page can improve customer experience and boost loyalty. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin panel. Go to Online Store and then Pages. Click Add Page to create a new thank you page. Design your thank you page with a message that fits your brand and thanks customers for their purchase. You can also add special offers, social links, or next steps. Now, to make this page show after checkout, you'll need to customize your Shopify checkout settings. Go to Settings, Checkout, and look for the Order Status page or Additional Scripts section. Here, you can add custom scripts or redirects. Because Shopify limits checkout customization, the best way is to use an app like Reconvert or Orderly Emails that lets you customize thank you pages, including for Afterpay purchases. Set up the app to redirect customers who paid with Afterpay to your custom thank you page, and that's how you add a custom thank you page after Afterpay checkout. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.